MiMMs channel. I'm Milena, and today we are going to be making muffins with Oreos in them. Did you hear me? Oreos! Let's get started. What we're going to need is Betty Crocker French vanilla cake, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, and Oreos. For this occasion, I'm using peanut butter and chocolate Oreos. And the last thing is giant mixer time. Step number 1, heat the oven to 350. Step 2, add all the ingredients into the mixer. First, I'm going to start by pouring the eggs. Now that we have all the wet ingredients in the bowl, I'm going to add the cake mix. Now we're going to pour a little bit of batter into each cake pan. That's going to spread. Okay, now we're going to put in the Oreos. Then we're going to pour more cake mix into the thing. These look delicious. Here's a little baking hack. We're going to put the whipped cream into this pot and then cut a little hole in the bag so the whipped cream could come out and it would be like a swirl. And ta-da! Oreo stuffed cake muffins. I'm gonna try one. This is maybe so. Oh my god, it is so good!